Friends, good morning. This is Subramani. One of my friend asked me to prepare one accounting software like Tally, Mini Tally, for his accounts in Google Sheet. Why he choose Google Sheet is it's an online software, and if it is maintained in Excel, when computer get corrupted, the entire file will be lost. So that he requested me to prepare accounting software in Google Sheet. It is works like a tally, mini tally in Google Sheet. Okay. Now here I am going to make entries for one purchase entry, one sale entry, one bank payment, and receipt. So that we will check the financial ledger reports and stock reports. Here I am entering one data. Just double click here to select a date from calendar. Okay. Here enter the voucher number. Okay. Then here I am entering as purchase. Just it's a drop down list to pick up from this master file. Okay. Don't forget about this. Then here ledger. Ledger is say ABC. It's a supplier. Okay. So purchase entry is debit to purchase account. Say purchase account, purchase, then tax CGST, then SGST, then supplier, right? This is the way you have to fill. So debit, that debit amount we will calculate here from product. Product 1, say product 2, and product 3. Okay. And here I am entering 100, 120, whatever it is. Okay. Now it's numbers. Rate here entering 20, 15, and 10. This comes 2000. This comes 1500, and this comes 1200. So this is the purchase amount. Purchase amount is 4700. Okay, that will debit 4700 debit. CGST here I am entering 2.5% on the purchase value plus 4700 into 2.5 by 100, 117.50, and the supplier amount credit will be 4935, right? 4935, right? Here narration you can enter purchase of goods. Okay, this is the narration. You can fill all this. Similarly, you have to fill all this these 3 columns here, here, here. Okay. Once you finished all this, just post entry. Click on this post entry. Once you click on this, it will goes to the data sheet. Just we will check. Okay, purchase account debited, CGST debited, supplier. Okay, this is stock report item 1, item 2, like this. Now we will check the ledgers. When we check the CGST, okay, then SGST, these are the ledgers. And the stock, say stock item 100, 2, 100, then 3 is 120. Now I am going to enter one sale entry so that the stock will reduce from out quantity. Now let us see. Here I am entering the date as 12. Control C, Control V. Here I am entering sale invoice as 1001. 1001. Sorry. Here voucher type is sale, right? It's a must, sales. Then here customer ledger, not available. Okay, no problem, we will create here customer under sundry debtors, under asset. Now this will available here customer. Okay, CGST, SGST, then sales account, CGST, HGST, right? Now we will delete this. Now I am entering the same quantity, stock item 75, 80 and 65 quantity we are selling. The value is 22, 17 and 12. The value will be plus this one plus into this one. So the sales value is 3280. 3280. Sales is credit, right? Plus this one into 2.5 by 100. 82. So the total becomes 3,444. The debit credit totals will be must tallied. Okay, otherwise your accounting system will be unmatched. Once you do that, just click here to post. Posting completed. 4 data rows, 3 inventory rows. We'll check the data. Here it is has been successfully posted here. Okay. Then stock items here. You will check the ledgers. Say CGST, debit and credit. HGST. HGST, CGST both are the same, I think. Okay. Purchase ledger. And this is sales ledger. Okay. Sales ledger. Now we will go to stock report. See the stock report. Item 1. Out of 100 we have sold 75. The balance is 25. Okay. Item 2 is out of 100, 50 we have sold. The balance is 50. And the item 3 is 120 inward and outward is 65. The balance is 65. It is pakka. Okay. So ledgers. Now customer supplier. Supplier 4,935. I am going to enter on payment entry 4,500. Let us see how it will appear. Okay. Now I want to clear this. Now here again I want to select the date. Say here payment, voucher type, number, payment number, say anything. Okay. Then here payment, supplier. Supplier you can type or select, okay, whatever you wish. Supplier, debit 4500, debit account, and bank account. Bank is not here. What a blunder here. So here I am going to mention bank account. Under bank accounts, set. Now here bank account 4500. Okay, there is no inventory for payment and receipt. Okay, post it. Now payment is posted. Now the receipt, say 6, receipt, bank account, say 3000, and customer account, here also receipt. Say 3000, customer account credit and bank account debit. Okay. If you don't bother about debit credit, that we will give you a separate note for payment account, which account will goes to debit and which account will goes to credit. Similarly, sales, purchase, and whatever you wish. Okay, and contrast also. Now I am going to click post. So completed 2 data rows and inventory 0 because the payment receipt and doesn't have inventory reports. Okay. Now I am going to check the data folder, data sheet. Data here. Okay, no problem. Payment. Okay. Debited to supplier and credited to bank. Here bank account debit and supplier customer account credit. Now we will check the ledgers in the supplier. Say credit 4935 and debit this much. Okay. Here we can check the total also. We can arrange, no problem at all. That we will take it. And one more thing, we will check the stock report. Stock report is okay, already I have explained. Item 1 is 100, out of 100, 75 sold, balance is 25. Item 2 is out of 100, 50 sold and 50 balance. And item 3 is out of 120, 65 sold and 55 is the balance. Okay. I think this is more than enough to maintain your accounts for small companies. So those who are requested can please call me to this number and share this video with your friends and suggest to your friends. This is only for I can give it away for 1500 or 1000 or 1500. Please contact, and this is my WhatsApp number and GP account also. Okay, bye, thank you.